how do you engineer an experience? When you strip away everything weighing you down, holding you back, you begin to float away, weightless, hovering. This is the hoverboard, the essence of pure motion, captured, refined, and reinvented. The hoverboard translates your will into motion. A single point of contact with the ground minimizes friction and frees your movement from a linear path. Inside, precision sensors and electronics smooth and stabilize your ride, gently accelerating in whichever direction you lean. The controls are intuitive. Gently apply pressure to one end of the board to accelerate. Lean gently to one side or the other to turn in that direction. When you stop, you can set the board down on its side to dismount. The electric motor powers a top speed of 20 miles per hour, perfectly balancing safety with efficiency at every turn.
In my first company, I had to figure out some way to pack all of the control electronics and the drive electronics into the motor itself. I succeeded in doing that, and we called the product the Smart Motor. That really poised me perfectly for making the ultimate personal electric vehicle.
The hoverboard moves you, but it's also a part of you, with endless personalization options to make your hoverboard a perfect fit for you. Built-in speakers pair with your smartphone, giving you the perfect soundtrack for your daily commute or weekend joyride. Onboard lighting gives you visibility at night, letting you ride a cloud of light to your destination. The hoverboard is perfectly balanced in both form and function. It's fully electronic, whisper quiet, and amazingly efficient. The high-capacity battery takes you 15 to 20 miles on a single charge. And the best part, it's not just an idea. We are riding the experience today.
That's freaking crazy.
Yes. Oh, damn. Yeah, see? Yeah, it's like, whoa, nah. Stop. Stop. That's stop.
Stop. We're going
nah.
far. We're going far.
Nah.
Alright, that's like the coolest thing ever. It's like freaking Harry Potter.
That's right.
What if a photograph could come to life in your hands? What if you could print a GoPro video or an Apple Live photo? What if you could instantly send your friends a magical photograph from your surfing trip, or a photo from the concert of the century? Well, with LifePrint you can. So there's basically three major things that make LifePrint really great. The first is our ability to give you easy access to all of your special moments by integrating your social media and video into our app. We seamlessly integrate with GoPro, with Apple Live photos, with Instagram, with Facebook, with Vine, with Twitter, and then we also integrate your iOS camera roll and your Android camera roll. Right? Basically, the point is that we're giving you super easy access to any photo or video you might want to print. Next, what we do is we can add an augmented reality video experience embedded into any photo you have. This is called Hyperphoto, which is really cool. It's like magic or something. And then we can portably print and share these hyperphotos to anyone in the world within our network. And of course, you can print all of your regular still photos too. The augmented reality piece just adds something extra only if you really want. The third thing that makes us special is our social network backend. This allows you to share your photos all over the world. Now this is actually something that we're really proud of, because when you take a photo, you probably want to share that moment with someone, not just keep it for yourself. Think of us like a physical version of Instagram. I'll also say that when you send someone a photo, they have permission to accept the print or not. So you're not forced to keep printing photos of your aunt's cats over and over again. And we designed LifePrint to be incredibly high quality. We designed it with long-lasting materials and a minimalist design language. And we've intentionally made it to be lightweight and small enough to fit in your pocket.
Meet FlipFlick, a simple device that automates your window blinds. No need to change your existing blinds, just clip it and it works. Now your blinds move by themselves, even before you think of it. FlipFlick is triggered by built-in light and temperature sensors. It rotates the existing tilting mechanism to open and close the blinds automatically. And with the solar panel charging, you don't need to worry about battery life. Set your comfort temperature in the app, and FlipFlick will make sure it never gets too cold or too hot. Schedule FlipFlick to wake you up in the morning. Control it instantly with a tap when you're at home. When you're away, leave it to work on sensors, so your pets are not left in the dark.
Smart homes are about making our lives easier. For some, it can be a question of comfort and convenience, but for others, it may be a necessity. Our dedicated team has been hard at work for the last 2 years. We have partnered with leading smartphone platforms like Eye Control Networks, worked closely with window blinds companies and manufacturers in Asia to build a product that will be beautiful, quick to install, and very easy to use. After releasing the first generation of the product and shipping it to the backers, we improved the design and technology. Now we are very excited to introduce you the new Flip Flick. It is smarter, smaller, and more elegant. Backers now be the first to get Flip Flick in your hands.
A small, stylish wearable device that fits in your pocket. This is the device that will save all your other devices when they run out of juice, and there's no power outlets in sight. It's very easy to use Jiffy. All you have to do is rotate, and through a USB cable, let it charge your other devices. With Jiffy, you're completely independent of any power supply, electric network, or wall socket. Jiffy is an eco-friendly charger that has a priceless advantage, which is the fact it doesn't need any special conditions to work. It is perfect when traveling absolutely anywhere. From the woods, to the desert, and to the jungle. It's the perfect solution in emergencies, like unexpected blackouts. Your batteries will be assured by Jiffy. Thank you for supporting us and believing in our project. Jiffy, the charger that keeps on giving.
Hi, I'm Ken, and I'm the creator of the Tempescope. I released the first Tempescope 3 years ago as an open source project when I was looking for ways to feel the tropical skies in my daily life. And ever since, I've received overwhelming interest from people all over the world, which is why we're excited to announce our first campaign to actually get the Tempescope into your hands. Our team consists of engineers and designers based in Tokyo, and we now have everything we need other than the actual fund to get into mass production. I really need your help to get this exciting new product into reality, so thank you very much for your support.
If you look around, buttons are everywhere. They vary in color, shape, size, style, and in many other ways. But there is one thing in common. To make them work, you push. What if you can push them without physically being where they are? What if you can make them work automatically on their own?
It's a Microbot Push, a tiny wireless robotic finger that can push any button. Now you can push this with your smartphone.
Push is very easy to install and use. Just attach it on a surface where the button you want to push is located. Pair with this companion hub Proto box and use your smartphone to push it from anywhere, anytime, even from outside. No wires, no tools required. With Push, you can control your light switches, turn on your home computer for work, play music, start making coffee, turn off electric fan, and many other things. It's only limited by your imagination. Push is simple yet very sophisticated. We designed the gears and PCB from the ground up for the lowest possible power consumption and the maximum torque to push most of ordinary buttons.
In fact, you don't even need a smartphone to use it. It just works.
Protobox is the brain for microbots, and it's what automates them with other sensors and services. Using its groundbreaking user interface, all you need to do is scribble a note that describes how you want to automate your microbots. autocomplete feature will also help you write rules. With ProtoBox, you can start making coffee when you wake up. Get things on your desk ready when you enter your office. Turn on lights when the sun goes down. And a lot more, all automatically without your smartphone.